Introduced as a completely new generation in the model year before, a highly innovative 2012 Jeep Grand Cherokee exudes modernity. Even though the SUV has excellent safety ratings, its dependability is seriously in doubt. Despite the high sales volume, the American vehicle currently has 1,268 complaints and 11 recalls, which are worrying statistics. The 2012 Jeep Grand Cherokee is a midsize SUV with a price range of $14,000 to $30,000. The 2012 model is one that buyers should avoid due to its high purchase price and high maintenance cost. But let's take a closer look at the 2012 Jeep Grand Cherokee issues. It's the Car Problems YouTube channel. Subscribe and let's get started. Electric system problems. There have been numerous reports of the 2012 Grand Cherokee's infotainment system malfunctioning frequently. The backup camera accidentally turning on and the radio system rebooting repeatedly were both observed by the complainants. At this time, the brand is unable to provide an explanation or a fix for the issue. Issues with the lighting system are also included in the list of electrical problems for the 2012 Jeep Grand Cherokee. Users have reported frequent headlamp failure in cases reported to NHTSA. This occurs as a result of the headlight assembly melting from overheating. The only option at this time is to replace the assembly. Structural complaints. Buyers have mentioned two different problems among the structural issues listed on NHTSA. The sunroof explosion, which happened without any impact or incidents, is the 2012 Grand Cherokee's primary issue. As a result, the glass pane breaks, sending pieces flying in all directions. The second issue is the exterior paint peeling off of the body, particularly the hood. Although the underlying causes of each problem are different, they both lead to a weakened structural integrity. Interior complaints. Buyers of the 2012 Cherokee with the leather trim have noted dashboard delamination. Although the cause of the issue is still unknown, complainants have observed that the interior quality is declining as a result of the bubbling and peeling. Mechanical complaints. One of the most frequently mentioned issues with the 2012 Jeep Grand Cherokee is engine problems. Customers have complained about the engine losing power and stalling in a sizable number of instances. A catastrophic engine failure has been identified as the cause of the vehicle's inability to move as a result. Failure of the alternators and rod bearings are potential causes of this. Jeep has issued a number of recalls for these two problems, some of which are listed below. The fuel system of the 2012 Cherokee is also a source of problems. Buyers have occasionally mentioned a potent fuel odor filling the cabin after the tank has been filled. It happens as a result of a fuel tank crack that could result in a leak. In some other incidents, complainants have also reported that the fuel pump relay inside the totally integrated program module failed, resulting in the engine stalling. The midsize SUV's brake system has issues with its longer stopping distance and longer stopping time. Specifically, a broken brake booster shield or a stiff brake pedal caused this in the current design. Owners have frequently reported both problems, so the manufacturer has issued recalls to address them. Having issues with the steering system is also on the list of 2012 Jeep Grand Cherokee flaws. The complainants have noted that the steering wheel becomes overly stiff, which is difficult to control. This occurs when the power steering assistance is lost, which raises the possibility of a collision. In some of the cases listed on NHTSA as well, buyers have reported that the steering sticks in one direction, causing the car to swerve. The death wobble is a term used to describe this problem, which is widespread among the brand's cars. Safety problems. There are several airbag system problems with the 2012 Jeep Grand Cherokee. In numerous instances, customers have complained that the airbag warning light randomly illuminates, interfering with its functionality, or that the airbags do not deploy in the event of a collision. Both scenarios have the potential to cause injuries to the occupants, making the issue a safety concern. Purchasers of the 2012 Grand Cherokee have reported the head restraints randomly detaching without incident or impact. As a result, there have been injuries reported by passengers, which call for medical attention. Recalls. The SUV has more recalls from 2012 than any other vehicle, with a total of 11. The supercharger bracket, hand brake pedal, power brake assist, vanity lamps, alternator failures, fuel pump relay, brake booster shield, and rod bearing failures are among the items being recalled. Failures of the fuel pump relay are the most serious because they result in an engine stall. Should you buy? Based on information from 349 owner reviews and 18 government and automotive websites, the 2012 Jeep Grand Cherokee is not a good SUV. The good points include a respectable off-road performance and an upscale interior for the price. The Jeep suffers from expensive electrical issues and lower fuel efficiency than the competition. Overall, The Grand Cherokee is not the best choice if you're looking for a midsize SUV. The most respectable alternative is the 2012 Honda Pilot.